High inflation is like someone turning up the heat while you're trying to run your business. Costs rise, customers push back, and cash feels tight. Here's the truth. Inflation doesn't kill businesses. Slow decisions do. So in the next few minutes, I'll share the less common moves smart businesses use to stay safe, protect cash, and avoid embarrassing money moments. Let's go. Secret 1. Stop doing yearly price reviews. In inflation, that's too slow. Use trigger pricing instead. That means you adjust prices when your costs move. Here's how. Pick 3 triggers. If key costs rise by 3 to 5%, if wages or overtime rise, or if freight and fuel jump, you update pricing within 7 days, not 7 months. Secret 2. Add a simple inflation line to quotes and contracts. Keep it plain, no legal talk. If supplier or freight costs rise, pricing may be updated to match. This stops fights later, and it protects your profit. Secret 3. Kill silent discounts. These are the freebies you give away without noticing. Rush jobs for free, extra delivery trips, extra revisions. Just one more small thing. In inflation, freebies become profit killers. Fix it with a simple fee menu. Rush fee, delivery fee, revision limit, minimum order. Secret 4. Stop treating all customers the same. Some customers cost more to serve. More calls, more changes, more time. Sort customers into 3 buckets. Easy. Protect them and keep them happy. Medium. Tighten rules or raise prices a little. Hard. Raise prices more or let them go. That's how you balance growth and profitability. Secret 5. Build a 13-week cash forecast. This is your cash safety shield because cash problems don't show up suddenly. They build up quietly, then hit you hard. Once a week, list money in, sales, payments coming, money out, wages, rent, tax, suppliers. Circle any week you go negative. Then act early. Delay spending. Collect faster. Negotiate terms. No panic, no surprises. Secret 6. Speed up cash collection. In inflation, slow payments hurt more. Do this. Send invoices the same day. Add easy pay links. Follow up on day 3, day 7, and day 14. Make paying easy. Make late paying uncomfortable. Secret 7. Use inventory on purpose. Some items will keep rising in price, so you can buy ahead. But don't trap your cash on shelves. Rule. Only pre-buy your top 10 must-have items. Set a max stock level. Ask suppliers for a hold price deal if you commit to volume. Secret 8. Protect cash using asset leverage in business. That means your assets should help you, not drain you. Sometimes leasing is better than buying. Sometimes selling unused equipment frees cash fast. Goal. Keep cash ready for the real fights. Secret 9. Don't get smashed by tax surprises. Talk to your accountant early about tax planning strategies for small businesses, business tax deductions, and credits you might be missing, and timing big purchases the right way. The goal is simple: no nasty tax shocks. Now, the final power move. In inflation, you must check your numbers weekly. You only need 4 simple truth numbers. 1. Gross margin. Are you still making enough per sale? 2. Cash in versus cash out. Is cash going backward? 3. Your biggest costs. What's rising fastest? 4. Break-even point. How much must you sell to cover bills? This is financial literacy for business owners in real life. No guessing, just truth. So here's your action plan for this week. Start a 13-week cash forecast. Remove 1 silent discount. Reprice 1 offer using trigger pricing. Small moves, fast. Because in high inflation, speed and clarity beat stress and guessing. Every time.